Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, 1.5K curved AMOLED display, super premium design, IP68 water and dust resistance rating, new improved 200 megapixel Samsung camera sensor, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and depth review of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. This time Xiaomi has placed a strong focus on design and texture in the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. The inclusion of the curved screen is a premium feature, and Xiaomi needs to innovate to stay competitive in this market, especially since the several phones with the curved screen have been launched in this segment. When you look at the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, it doesn't even seems like it belongs to a Redmi Note series. The black version of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus doesn't appear as attractive and energetic as the light trim space leather version. It exudes a more calm and low-key vibe. The back of the phone features a combination of the matte and glossy surfaces. At the top part, there is a distinct division with one section housing the camera, lens, and another with the LED flash, and the third displaying the Redmi branding. This separation of the three parts creates a unique design element. Additionally, the frame of the phone has a vertical straight orientation this time. The slight curvature of the glass, which is slightly above the back and the front glass, shouldn't feel uncomfortable here. Most of the time, your finger rests on the frame when you are opening the phone single-handed, so you won't notice any discomfort. The phone has a thickness of 8.9 mm and weight is around 205 grams, which feels okay in the hand. While the mobile phone does have the curved screen, the curvature is not very pronounced. It's relatively gentle. After turning on the front screen, you can see that the screen-to-body ratio is very high, giving the phone an impressive look. However, the buttons on the phone might feel a bit tight. If I were to rate the design of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus out of 10, I would give it an 8. Speaking of the display, the phone boasts a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. Additionally, it uses the C7 luminescent material, enhancing the screen quality. The display offers an impressive peak brightness level of up to 1800 nits and a 120Hz refresh rate. However, it lacks multi-level customization features. The inclusion of the 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming feature along with the DC dimming is excellent for the eye protection. Overall, the display is of the high quality, delivering good color performance and offers a satisfying viewing experience even at different angles. Indeed, this time, the Redmi Note series offered a much better display compared to its predecessor's LCD screen. While using lower price LCD display might be suitable if your eye aren't very sensitive, the inclusion of the OLED display this time also brings the benefit of an under the display fingerprint sensor. However, it's worth noting that the curved screen have a disadvantage in gaming, as they might not provide as flat and immersive game experience. If you are looking for a great gaming experience, this phone might not offer the best performance in this regard. In essence, the performance of the Note 13 Pro Plus isn't exceptional. This is because it features a Dimensity 7200 Ultra, which is essentially a replacement for the Dimensity 1080. It's built on TSMC's 4nm process, while the 7200 Ultra does brings improvements with a super core clocking at maximum speed of 2.8 GHz and enhancement in the GPU. Its overall performance is somewhat on par with the Snapdragon 778G. Looking at the benchmark score, it offers a good single core and the GPU performance, but falls a bit behind in multi-core score. For everyday use, the performance of this phone is more than sufficient. You can even play game like King of Glory at the high definition setting, achieving 90 FPS. Power consumption stay within the range of 3.5 watt. However, I wouldn't recommend playing Genshin Impact on this phone, as the image quality might not be optimal and the frame rate may not be as stable. The phone comes with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, which ensures the smooth daily performance. In this price range, it's hard to find another phone with the such feature-packed offering in the market. Talking about the camera of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, it features a 200 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP3 sensor. Compared to Dimensity 1080 processor, the 7200 Ultra brings some improvements in the photo performance. This time, you get a large sensor size at 1 by 1.4 inches, a bigger aperture, and the optical image stabilization support. Additionally, it offers a 2x and 4x lossless zoom, ensuring clear picture even after zooming in. Indeed, 200 megapixel photo might not be necessary for most users, as they consume a lot of storage. However, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus does offer some remarkable improvements in the photo quality, especially in the night photography. It suppresses the expectation and provides a significantly better camera experience compared to its predecessor. In addition to the 200 megapixel main sensor, the photo also features a 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro camera. Speaking of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus battery, it packs a 5000 mAh battery and supports a blazing fast 120-watt charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. In terms of additional features, the phone also includes the NFC and the X-axis linear motor. What's noteworthy is that it comes with the IP68 rating, a first phone in Note series, which means it's water resistance. I will be uploading a water testing video soon, so stay connected with our channel for that. Talking about the price of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, the base variant starts at 1,900 Chini Yuan. It's worth noting that even the base variant of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with the 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Price in UK roughly £230 and US is $280. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb display, a premium design and improved camera setup. Upon the first look, it exudes a premium feel, and with this phone, you can capture photos without losing quality during zooming. The battery and the charging speed are indeed sufficient, but it's fair to say that the performance falls into the average range. If the phone had a slightly better processor, it could have been a perfect device. Even if they had gone with the Dimensity 8200, it would have offered outstanding performance. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.